Alright, let's go. Let's try not to mess this one up. Whoa! Almost messed it up. Ugh.
Earthquake!
Hello, welcome to the Getting Lost Logbook. My name is Jeff, but some people call me Chief. I'm out of my house. That's a big deal because I am now without a home for the next 6 months. I'm going traveling on the road on the motorcycle on good old Gunter logbook. Should really not do this downtown in the daytime. Now, I have packed the heaviest I've ever packed ever before, I think, on any trip I've ever done. My bike, I can easily touch the ground with my feet, which is not normal on this bike. I've got all my camping gear. I got a pile of camera gear. Way more stuff than I think I need, and I might shed a lot of it. So we'll see what happens there. I've got 6 months to do what I want, go see what I want to see, figure out what I want to see, because I have no idea. It's a great thing about road trips, it's always brand new. So I'm going to have a lot of fun. I'm pretty excited about it. But I do have to explain to you the coin. So when I pull over, I'm going to find somewhere nice and quiet, and I'll explain the coin, because that's kind of the integral part of this whole trip. So I've got a coin. This is the coin. It's got north-south on one side, and on the other side, it's got left and right. Now, what you do is you pick a north or south on one side. So I'm going to pick south because it's warmer down there. And then on the other end, I could pick left or right. I'm heading south. That would be probably left would be going east-ish. So here we go. Let's flip this coin. So here we go. Ho ho ho! We're going left. Going left. So there we go. Let's get a move on. Now I know we're going left. There's a couple ways to get left. One is going through Canada over into the Sonoran Desert, or we can go through America through the Sonoran Desert, and that one has got a nicer ride, I think. A little bit nicer. It's pretty rad, so we'll hit that one. Now I got to go over the border to get to that, but yeah, it should be mellow. I don't think it's a busy day. It's kind of fall, so I think everyone's in school and they don't do anything fun on the weekends. So let's go for it. Oh my god, that can't be right. 2 hours? Oh my god. So the border lineup is 2 hours. Okay, I got in the lineup. I cannot even see the border from here. Oh man. This is the biggest lineup for the border I've ever seen. The other border crossing just down the way. 2 lanes exactly this far. At least this is 1 lane up until the actual border. So wow, pretty crazy stuff. Anyway, see how long I last. I don't like stuff like this. Now's as good a time as any to let you know that I have named all of these cameras after people who have been on this channel. So you got this one, that's Snake Dust. You got this one, that is Turbo. I got one over here, which is Sistad. He's like a handheld guy, so I can like film over there and over there. And then I got Ships is the drone, because, you know, he's always taking the great stuff. And then on over there, well, Brady is the other one, and he's kind of everywhere. So he could be, you know, flying around, hanging out in the pool. I don't know. He really could be anywhere. So that's the cameras. So when I'm referring to Turbo, I'm talking to you. And then Snake Dust, I've always got my face in his butt. Alright, I gotta rethink this. Yeah, I gotta rethink that. We're pretty close now. Well, that's a complete lie. We're not super far away anymore. It has been 1 hour and 15 minutes. So this is gonna make it well over 2 hours. My biggest fear was having to go pee, and I haven't had to yet, but now that I've just mentioned it, I'm probably going to have to. So that's gonna happen. You guys can see that, but I certainly can. I can't count the cars yet, but definitely very close to being through. And we're at 2 hours right now, so, you know, I still haven't had to go pee, which is also nice, but we're almost there. I can't film during the border because of obvious reasons, but it is a little bit of an ordeal, and I'll just show you what I wish it was like. Thank you very much. Oh, it feels so good. See you later, border. I am going to go and pee. Oh my god. Oh yes. Oh yes. Sis Dad showed me a oyster place down the road, so I'm gonna go check that out. Also the benefit of the oyster place is it is on one of the coolest roads in the area. It is, yeah, it's just a really good curvy cruise along the ocean. So let's go check that out. Chuckanut Drive. Alright, this should be fun. This is really beautiful. The bummer thing is there is going to be a lot of traffic on this because it's so beautiful and it's a gorgeous day. And what I've come to realize about today is that it's a weekend, i.e. the 2.5 hour lineup at the border, the amount of traffic everywhere. Wow. And obviously the traffic on this gorgeous road. So for the rest of this trip, I'm avoiding weekends. Awesome. Imagine these houses, living in one of these houses. Wow. I mean, it's just amazing. Okay, now I remember. It's Taylors Shellfish. So we're gonna go here, check it out. Sister told me to by taking me here before. So this is a one-way. a one-way. Gotta stop, make sure no one else is coming up. And we're good. This place, they farm the shellfish, oysters, and other things, I guess. And they sell all around the world. This is a very famous spot. I have always tried to go here and always missed it because I was going too fast on the road. And when I came down here with Sistad, he showed me exactly where it is, and it's pretty obvious once you know where it is. So just Google it and then you'll figure it out. But just even the road to come down here is beautiful, so you should really come and check it out. Right on the water, and hopefully it's not too busy with tourists like me. Alright. Now if you're a train person, probably super into this. I'm not gonna lie to you, it looks pretty darn busy. So maybe this is not going to be a stop. Definitely worth going to see. Yeah, there's so many people here. And I don't like crowds. And there's tracks. So this is it. It's pretty beautiful, but it looks really busy. Oh yeah, look at that. I just did a big lineup and I don't want to do another one. So sorry guys. At least now you know where it is. And I would suggest going not on a weekend. Let's get back to that road. Oh, I might have just popped out into a perfect gap of. Oh, this is awesome. A nice little gap of no cars. This is great. This is working out. Things are finally coming up, Jeff! I'm going to Mount Vernon to check into a hotel. As you can see behind me, the sun is going down and I do not want to be heading into the mountains at this particular time in the day. So I'm going to call it a day, get myself a hotel and relax for a little bit. All right, we're in Mount Vernon. I got a hotel. Gunter is right outside, right there. This is the room. It's very gorgeous, as you can see. Got my beautiful red couch, as I've always wanted in my life. We didn't get much done motorcycle-wise today, but, you know, such is life. We did go over the border, and we did learn that we should never, ever travel on the weekend ever again. Very important. I think it's going to serve us well. I bought a map as well, so let's go through that. Here we go. We start up here in Vancouver. This is Vancouver here. Forgive me, I'm doing this left-handed. So we did left-handed going down here to the border, and then we hung out there forever. 2.5 hours. Then we went all the way down to Bellingham. Bellingham is where the Chuckanut Drive started. and that's the 11 right here where the oyster place was, and then we went down to Mount Vernon. So that was the day, but what is going to be super fun is tomorrow. So tomorrow we're going to do the Sidrawilly 20 to the concrete, and then up here to the Cascades. This is awesome right there. So we're going to have a lot of fun there. Really gorgeous. Then we're going to continue on the 20. We're going to go down to Winthrop. So that's tomorrow. Winthrop, we'll be camping, and we'll have a campfire, and we'll cook over the fire. So that's going to be fun. Winthrop is a cool town. I'll show you when we get there. Cascades is going to be awesome. So, but if you like today, give me a high five with a little thumbs up, mini thumbs up, or big thumbs up. And if you want to see tomorrow, subscribe, and you'll be notified as soon as that comes up, which could be right now. I don't know how you're watching, but either way, I hope you had fun. We had some laughs, didn't we? We're gonna have more laughs tomorrow. So I'll see you tomorrow. Cheers. Hello, hi there, hi there, welcome to the Getting Lost Logbook. Does my hair look there? Hey there, welcome. Six months, I just moved myself out of the house.